Chat and Video Chat. With the Chat and Video Chat function, Snapchat lets you start a chat, start a video chat, voice call your friend, and even send saved photos and videos from your device. More than that, you can make plans to meet up by sending or receiving an address. Open Snapchat and swipe right. You'll be in the chat screen. Right before I show you the chat and video chat area, I'm sure you would like to know what the different icons mean. If you go to support.snapchat.com/en-us/a/icon-index, you will see a full list of all the Snap icons and their respective descriptions. The icons are organized by sent icons, opened icons, received icons, viewed icons, screenshot icons, and replay icons. To take a look at the chat and video chat functions, you will need to swipe right on a specific friend from your list. If you see a blue button at the bottom of your chat screen, it means your friend is in the chat, chatting with you. There are several options to pick from to start chatting. You can just type text and tap on send. If you hold upon the text area, a few options will pop up, but you can do way more than that. You can share saved photos from your device. To send a photo or video from your camera roll in chat, tap on the image and select the photo or video. You can get creative with your photo or video by adding a doodle or caption. Just tap on Edit, but if you select more than one photo or video, you won't be able to edit them. Finally, tap on Send. For iOS, first make sure Snapchat has access to your photos in your device's settings. To make a voice call, just tap on the phone. Your friend has to be available. He has two options. They are Listen, and you won't be able to hear him, but he can still hear you and send you chats. Join, and you'll both be able to hear each other. To hang up, tap on Hasta la vista, and you'll still be able to hear your friend until he ends the call or you exit the chat. You can send a voice note if your friend isn't available by pressing and holding the same button. If you're holding your phone away from your face, the voice call audio will default to speakerphone. Move your phone up to your face to enable audio through your phone's earpiece. You can also send a snap to your friends. I'm pretty sure you already know how to do that. In video chat, your friend has to be available. He has two options to choose from. They are Watch, and you won't be able to see him, but he can hear you, see you, and also send you chats. If he chooses Join, you'll be able to see and hear each other. A very nice option is that you can send video notes by pressing and holding the same button. If you tap on the next right icon, you'll find emoji stickers. You can make plans in the chat. Snapchat makes it easy for you to meet with your friends. When you send or receive an address, a small map will appear in chat showing you the location. Just tap it to open the Maps app of your device. Beware that, if you leave the chat screen, messages viewed by both you and your friend will be cleared. So if you'd like to keep a message, just press and hold to save it. Saved messages are highlighted in gray. Press and hold on a saved message to unsave it.